So guys, if you want to learn how you can trade the 3 a.m. CRT candle with boom and crash, then this video is meant for you. If you have been using CRT candle, if you have been trading CRT candle and you've not been profitable, then this video is meant for you. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can what? I'm going to be explaining how you can trade the 3 a.m. CRT candle on boom and crash on synthetic indices. If you have been trading synthetic indices, trying to trade CRT candle and you've not been profitable, then sit back. This video is meant for you. So I'm going to be doing a live analysis of this trade. Right? It was a signal I sent down to my signal group. Let me show you. You can see my signal group. So it's a signal that I sent to my signal group. Though we had a first entry, and the first entry hit our stop loss. Why? I'm going to tell you the reason why it hit our stop loss. Then I tell them to re-enter again. And that's how we think. So let me show you how this trade actually went through. And let me show you. It's a live account. You can see it's a live account. I have some other position opened on it too. So now, when I told them to enter for a buy at first set, let me show you my trade history so you can see it. So when I told them to enter for a sell, right, the first entry for a sell, okay, it wasn't on this account. The first entry for a sell was not on this account. It was on my other account. Let me show you that account here. So the first entry for sell was on my other account here. Right, so you can see this was the entry. The first entry for sale was here. Right, so that was the first entry for sale, and that was around 6:47 my time, and it hit our take profit. Right, it hit our SL. So let me now show you why it hit our SL and how it should have been. Right, let me show you why it hit our SL and how it should be. Right, so this particular candle, let me close the trade position. So the reason why this trade hit our SL the first time was nothing because one of the main criteria for CRT is not available at that time the first time we enter for a sell, right? And the main thing there the main criteria for a CRT that you must see, part of the confirmation for CRT that you must see is what we call a purge. Now, this purge is very, very important. This purge is very, very important if you don't have the purge at the right time. Now, let me show you the reason why. I'm going to tell you why my TP is at where it is and why I'm fixing that take profits, where I'm putting it down. So the purge has not happened when I gave the first order for sell. So the moment I saw that and I waited for it and I said, okay, the purge has happened, right? I tend them to re-enter back. So in trading CRT, the first thing you must put into consideration is your higher time frame bias. And for your higher time frame bias, as an intraday trader, you use your daily time frame and weekly time frame, depending on the one you are using for. Now, on my daily time frame, let me show you this. On my daily time frame, you can see that we are bearish. Already we are bearish on daily time frame, and from daily time frame I move down to 4 hours time frame. So at 4 hours time frame, I can see we've gotten a reaction back to an internal level in terms of my bread and butter strategy. That's one of the things I characterize my liquidity with. So I'm moving back to my internal level. So I knew that from internal to external liquidity, so they should be able to take out the external liquidity there. Right, they should be able to take out the external liquidity, and that was why I gave that order. So that first sell limit that we have, the reason why it hit our SL was because it has not hit our take profit. It has not given us a purge. It has given us a purge, but the purge was not at the time. Every CRT candle has its own timing purge. It has its own that you expect the purge to happen. For a 3 a.m. candle, there's a time the purge must happen. For a 5 a.m. CRT candle, there's a time the purge must happen for you to know that, okay, this is a CRT candle. And for you to know that this is a CRT candle. And for a 9 a.m. CRT candle, there is a time for the CRT purge to happen to give you the confirmation for what? For CRT. So if you have been trading CRT candle and you've not been profitable with it, then look at the time your purge is happening on that particular CRT that you are trading. Right? Look at the time the purge is happening on that particular time you are trading. So those are the things you put into consideration as far as your CRT is confirmed. And another thing I use with my CRT, my CRT is what? Is my TDI. Let me show you. Your TDI too will confirm the purge for you. Right? Your TDI will confirm the purge for you too, and that is another confirmation that you must blend with your with your CRT trading. Now, when I have the first purge here, it was early in London session, but it was not at my at my CRT purge. Now, when I have this purge here, you can see on my TDI is showing me what? It's showing me what we call divergence. And we'll call it outside volatility band and inside volatility band. So the moment I saw that on my TDI, I knew there was what? There was going to be a sell. That what? No, I've gotten a what? A CRT. And on 1 hour time frame, you can see what I have. I have the CRT already on 1 hour time frame. And obviously, I will have this what? This retracement, because you can see that probably we've gotten to what? A return back to order block. And in trading CRT, right, in trading CRT, one of the things you put, your part of the criteria is that what? You take profit at 50% of your what? Of your CRT candle. Now, my CRT candle is this. Let me measure the range for you and see. Already, I can take this what? This as my CRT candle. And you can see that what? Already, I'm at what? 50% of that what? Of that range already. So that is why we're having that what? That retracement. So is it that I close that position, or I wait for what they want to do? Because now at that 50%, I have this other block there. I have this other block sitting very convenient for me to see this other block here. So you can see that. So I just need to watch my trade at this particular time and follow up to see if they will respect this other block, right? If they will respect this other block. So those are the things you put into consideration when you are trading your CRT candle. If there's anything you want to learn about my CRT candle, you'll find a link on my on the description of this video. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp or on Telegram, and I'm going to and if there's anything is not clear to you, you can drop your comment on this you can drop your comment in the comment section. And if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And if you really find this video helpful, please then give me a thumbs up by liking this video and also sharing with your friends too, so they can also benefit. Remember that you can be good to anybody just for them to watch this particular video. So in this video, let me do a recap for you. In trading CRT, you must put into consideration your you must put into consideration your higher time frame bias. That's the takeaway from this video. Your higher time frame bias, your intraday profile. I have not talked about that, and I've talked about it in one of my videos that I uploaded recently. Go and watch that video. And also, you must put into consideration your purge time. It is very, very important as far as trading your CRT too. Now, I have another position open on Boom 500 that I gave them the signal to. Boom 500, I'll show you why I gave them that signal. The same thing happened on Boom 500 too. The purging time. The purging time. So that's another thing that happened on Boom 500 too. So those are the things you put into consideration in trading your CRT candle. If you want to know about my Signal group, you can also reach out to me on the description of this video. You'll find a link there and you can reach out to me. So you can see this is how I flipped my account. CRT is the missing edge in your trading. Understand CRT and you will be profitable with it. Until the next time I'm going to be crossing your path, please remain profitable. And if there's anything, if you actually gain from this video, please like the video and share. And I'm going to be updating you how the video goes. Until the next time I will be crossing your path, remain profitable.